for the Taka Ricochet Trickster. Battle the evil robot. Oh, wait. Cut.
It's Hitman.
Try again.
Take 2. And now, here is part 2. Ah! Oh, it injured it.
Try again. Maybe we can wipe him out completely.
And now for the conclusion. Well, first conclusion. If this fails us, there will be another conclusion. Balance.
Do the ricochet spin.